Hello everybody. This is going to be a little bit of a shorter video because it's just kind of rehashing some concepts that we talked about in an earlier video, but I want to talk a little bit about physical versus chemical properties given what we now know about atoms and how they're bound together. So chemical changes result in a change in the way that atoms are bound together, in this case, and physical changes are going to preserve the arrangement of atomic bonding, but usually result in a change of appearance of the material. So physical changes include changes of phase. So when you move from one phase to another, it's a physical change. The material isn't bound together. The atoms that make it up aren't bound together any different way, but they do look different between the beginning and the ending. And I hesitate to do this because I can actually come up with almost a case for almost any of these that is actually a physical change and not a chemical change. But to help you with your homework, I'm going to show you what I'm going to call possible indications of a chemical reaction. So these are going to come up in some of the questions they're going to ask you. One of them would be emitting gases. So gases evolving from a chemical reaction can happen. A change in color would indicate that a chemical reaction could happen. If heat gets absorbed or released, could be evidence of a chemical reaction. Maybe the odor changes because that's what you're doing when you're smelling. You're detecting chemicals in the air. Again, we talked about how burning is an example of a chemical reaction, and so is metabolizing. You know, taking in some sort of substance, whether it be food or medicine, and then passing it through your digestive system. Those are a series of chemical reactions.